If you want to save the new workbook file, click File Type. File type display the backstage view. On the navigation bar, click Save As. You have many options here. Click on Browse. The Save As dialog box opens. You can select the new location of workbook and new file name. Click Excel file type. You have multiple file options here. You can save this file in web page format. You can save this file in Excel template format. The standard name of Excel workbook is the Excel workbook. I select Excel workbook. Click Save. If you edit any cell, then update the workbook by clicking Save button on Quick Access toolbar or press shortcut key Ctrl+S.